Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So the products that we will be featuring today will be from Third Wave Coffee Cebu, and they're actually located in Busai. These are the products that they sent me. It's a cold black brew and a cold white brew. Here. I really love their container. It's really handy. You can actually reuse it. You can reuse it if you are an eco warrior. You can actually reuse their containers and just place whatever you want. Juice, water, whatsoever. And also, they sent me this box of pastries, which I really find lovely. See that? Which I really found so lovely. So if you're wondering what this is actually a mango float bar. And this costs 200 pesos and it has 6 pieces. The cold white is 120 pesos and this cold black is 130. So they opened their cafe in October 2019 at the second floor of Ruma Highlands Hotel in Lower Busai, Cebu City. They also have a co-brand, which is the Good Cup Coffee Company. However, due to COVID, they are taking orders from their home. Okay, so due to COVID, they're brewing from home. So they're doing deliveries via third-party couriers. A while ago, I received the products through Maxim. They are also supporting a charity organization named Bayanihan Mission by donating a part of their proceeds for every coffee sold. So guys, if you buy their coffee, if you buy either of this cold black or cold white, you're actually donating to Bayanihan Mission as well. I would really love to promote companies that support charity organizations. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try their products. Right, so I'm really excited to try their mango float bars. And it's a good thing that it was not destroyed while on transit. So here is their mango float bar. It seems so fragile. And it's actually very soft. You see the heart there? It's really delicious. Everything's so soft. The cream, the graham, the mangoes. Their mango float bars come from Taste and See by Marty, and they are made of fresh mangoes. I don't know where they got their mangoes, but it's really sweet. Of course, I'm gonna share this to my family. In every pack there are 6 pieces, so I'll eat one and give the rest to them. Now let's have the cold white brew. A handcrafted mixture of coffee, cream, and milk, and it's made fresh with no preservatives. So let's go ahead and try it. So even if it has cream and milk, you can still feel the strong coffee in it. I really tasted the cake there. So guys, if you want to purchase this, it's only 120 pesos. Comes with very slick and very handy container. If you are an eco warrior, it would be really best if you reuse this bottle because it's very nice. I would reuse this myself. Alright, let's have the cold black. Okay, so I'm not really used to drinking coffee. If I go to coffee shops, I would really opt for the smoothies, the flavored drinks, the teas, but thank you so much still for sending me this to taste. Now let's open the cold black. So their cold black brew is steeped coffee for 48 hours, filtered before bottled, a mixture of coffee and water, just coffee and water. It's that simple, guys. Oh, that's strong. So if you're looking for something to wake you up during a busy day, don't forget Third Wave Coffee Cebu is offering cold black if you love it strong. So since I'm not really a coffee lover, but I really appreciated the taste of their cold brew, this is a must try. And also, ang pinakalami na natilawan ako from Third Wave Coffee Cebu, because they're offering this as well in their cafe, right? So try their mango float bars here. Dako siya actually, guys, and it's worth 200 pesos. Nakuha na ko ni Gosa, but it's worth it. And it's actually good for gifts, guys. If you wish to give this as gift, look, dili mo magmahay. Malipay jud inyong hatagan ani, as in. This is what caught my attention when I opened their brown bag. The mango float bars. Kay grabe elegant kayo ang ihang pagkahimo gani sa ilang mango syrup, mangoro ni siya. Not the common mango float that we do at home. Very elegant. I like it. It's very sweet, very soft, and very delicious. You must try this one. It's 200 pesos for 6 bars, guys. And it comes with this packaging. It's very nice. Very cute. If you wish to order their cold brews, you need to keep in mind that it's best to consume the product within 1 week from bottling date. And their cold brews are handcrafted and have been made without preservatives. That's why it is best to consume it as soon as possible, maximum 1 week. If you prefer to consume the bottled coffee later within the day, we highly recommend that the cold brews are to be refrigerated upon arrival para dili madaot, guys. Keep it in the ref first if you wish to take it later during the day. We highly encourage that the cold brews are to be stored in a fridge temperature of 0 to 4 degrees Celsius to maintain quality. And once the cold brews have been opened, kindly consume immediately to avoid spoilage. So thank you so much once again for watching this video, lovies. I hope you found it informative. If ganahan mong suway, please do order from Third Wave Coffee Cebu. They have pages in both Facebook and Instagram, and you can just hit them up by sending them a message in their social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions about the products that I promoted today or about me, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly tap on the subscribe button below. From red, it will turn gray once you've successfully subscribed. And also tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. If you want to have your products promoted, please do feel free to message me on Facebook or email me as well. My email address is indicated in the description box. Thank you so much and have a great day. Lovies. Bye!